Understanding guest additions and VM tools. When running an operating system inside a virtual machine, the experience may feel limited compared to using it on a physical computer. The display resolution might be restricted, mouse movement could be sluggish, and features like clipboard sharing and drag and drop between the host and guest OS might not work. This is where guest additions and VM tools come in. These additional software packages enhance the integration between the virtual machine and the host system, improving performance, usability, and overall experience. What are guest additions and VM tools? Guest additions and VM tools are drivers and utilities that improve the interaction between the host machine and the virtual machine. They help overcome the limitations of virtualization by enabling features that are not available by default in a virtualized environment. Key features and benefits of guest additions and VM tools. 1. Improved graphics in full screen mode allows the VM to adjust its display resolution dynamically. 2. Seamless mouse integration eliminates the need to capture and release the mouse manually. 3. Clipboard and drag and drop file sharing enables bidirectional clipboard sharing and file transfers. 4. Shared folders between host and VM facilitates real-time file sharing between the host and VM. 5. Better performance and hardware acceleration optimizes graphics, networking, and storage performance. 6. Time synchronization between host and guest keeps the VM's time in sync with the host machine. 7. Automated logins and seamless user experience allows automatic logins for enterprise environments. How to install guest additions in VirtualBox. 1. Start your virtual machine. 2. Insert the guest additions CD image from the VirtualBox menu. 3. Install guest additions by running the appropriate installer for Windows or Linux. 4. Restart the VM to apply changes. How to install VMware tools in VMware Workstation or Player. 1. Start your virtual machine. 2. Insert the VMware tools installer from the VMware menu. 3. Run the setup file inside the VM and follow the installation steps. 4. Restart the VM for changes to take effect. Troubleshooting guest additions and VMware tools installation. If the CD image does not mount, ensure the virtual CD drive is enabled. If clipboard sharing or drag and drop is not working, enable bidirectional clipboard in the VM settings. If VM performance is still slow, increase allocated RAM and CPU cores in the VM settings. Final thoughts. Why guest additions and VM tools matter. Installing guest additions or VMware tools is an essential step in setting up a virtual machine for productivity, development, and testing. Once installed, the VM behaves much like a native operating system, offering seamless integration with the host, improved performance, and better usability. Now that you have a fully optimized virtual machine, the next step is exploring snapshots and cloning, which allow you to create backups and duplicate VMs easily.